So that's given by Aboriginal people. That was in the Great Hall, James, yesterday as part of all the ceremonial opening events for Parliament. And then when the MPs and senators get into the chamber, the president, in the case of the Senate, the Speaker in the House, they gave an acknowledgement. So this is the white fella acknowledging black land ownership and all the other things that come with it now. They're getting longer and longer. And your mob stood up and turned their backs to the president. Why did that happen?
Well, because we've taken the direction of the Australian public that voted not only for One Nation, but voted at the referendum to say no to division, and that was during the Voice. And we're not going to stop here, Peter. I think it's only fair that Australia's voices are heard. This is one performance that Australians are over, and I know you've discussed this plenty of times on your program, but we're going to take it further as well. We're going to stand against those renaming of townships and places like my hometown of Great Keppel Island that they want to rename Whopper. We've already had some of the islands off our coast of Queensland renamed, and there's also other issues that Australians want stopped as well. Like, for example, when bushfires break out, you shouldn't have to seek permission from traditional owners to go and fight the fire. These are just some of the issues that One Nation will be sticking up for the rest of the silent majority across Australia. We'll raise it in our parliament and we will take a stand. We will speak out when people have been ignored by the major parties. So, yes, turning our back on Welcome to Country is just stage one of what we intend to do over the next 3 years to give power back to the Australian people. We're over the division. It's got to stop.
Teo, I'm with you on the acknowledgement of country. I don't like a bar of it. I don't want it when I land a plane. I don't want it when I click on a website. I don't want it when I go into a shop to buy clothes. It's got nothing at all to do with Indigenous rights. Well done. Well done, One Nation, on that one. Thank you both.
Right, so there you have it. Finally, a party in Parliament is prepared to stand up for the Aboriginal people, not for the woke Aboriginals that make millions of dollars out at Welcome to Country. So this is a movement. It's in the classrooms, it's at school assemblies, in the universities, council meetings, sporting days. Australians do not want to be welcomed to their own country. So please do as our One Nation people have done. Next time you're at a Welcome to Country ceremony and you're an Australian, turn your back. The money could be spent really helping Aboriginals. They're suffering deprivation throughout the country. Now, I've just been right around the country. We saw it in places like Alice Springs, Cairns, Halls Creek. No money given to the real Aboriginal people for education and health. No, it's all spent on the woke inner city make-believe Aboriginals. And this is coming from an Indigenous person. So stand behind One Nation, get up there, talk to your local council, talk to anyone, tell them you're fed up with Welcome to your own country.